Hey guys, I'm going to start a Shopify theme development course. In this course, we will be mostly focusing on JavaScript, and we will learn that how we can debug the JavaScript code easily in the browser. Okay, let me show you a little demo of this part. Like we can see that if when we interact with any of the button in the Shopify theme, a JavaScript code runs in the background. So let's see, if we press this button, this cart drawer is opened, and this is done by a JavaScript. Okay, let's see which code is responsible for opening this cart drawer. First of all, um, let's open this, and let's see the main cart drawer. Okay, we have this cart drawer. Let's observe this area. Okay, we can see that active class is removed right from here. Let's see how we can check which code is responsible for this opening and closing. We can add a breakpoint, and you can see that we have a cardra.js file, and in this file the class active is added to this cardra, and we can also track the whole call stack right from here, and in this way we will be able to debug every complex JavaScript implementations. So we will be covering this topic in details in this course, and also we will be learning the section rendering API and AJAX calls. Okay, let me show you. In my YouTube channel I have created a video
Hello
regarding
guys.
section rendering API. Okay, you can get a basic idea of section rendering API, okay, right from here in this video. So we will be covering this section rendering API in detail, and also AJAX calls in this course, and we will be learning all these concepts using real projects, and also I'll be showing some tips and tricks that I use in my workflow, and we will also have a community where I will answer your questions, and after that I will share my few tips that uh, can help you land in a remote job. So if you are interested, please let me know, and I will share more details with you on this. Thank you.